In this video, I will show you how to round up a number to the next half, that is 0.50 in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some numbers in the first column. Now I want to round up these numbers to the next half or 0.50. For example, I want to round up the number 5.01 to 5.5 and 5.51 to 6. I will use a formula using the Excel ceiling function. To do that, the ceiling function rounds up a number to the specified multiple. This function accepts two arguments, a number to round and the multiple to which to round the number. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type ceiling followed by an opening bracket. I will select cell B3 as the first argument of the ceiling function. Since we want to round up the numbers up to the next half, I will specify 0.5 as the second argument of the ceiling function. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, it returned 5.5 by rounding up the number 5.01 to the next half. Let's copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. If the number is already a multiple of 0.5, then the ceiling function does not round the number, as we can see from row number 5. Rounding to the next half using the ceiling function works in the same way for the negative numbers as well, as we can see from rows 7 and 8. Instead of the rounding up the number to the next half, we can also round down the number. In this case, we can use the Excel floor function instead of the ceiling function. The floor function works in a similar way to the ceiling function, but it rounds down the number instead of rounding up the number. I will create a similar formula to round down the number to the next half by selecting cell B3 as the first argument and 0.5 as the second argument of the floor function. You can see the difference between the ceiling and floor function outputs for the numbers 1 and 2. Again, no rounding occurs if the number is already a multiple of 0.5, as we can see from the output of the third number. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.